Hello, good morning. We'll be start stretching from your butt till your ankle. First you have to lie down. We will first start with the pelvic tilts. Place your hands under your butts and try to push it down from your hips like this. The movement will be down. So put your hands under the butts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Again press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your pelvic tilt. The second will be your back extensor stretch. Stretch it, hold it and relax. Again stretch this and relax. Then you have to take both the knees together and relax. As I have prescribed with the repetitions in your chart, you have to follow that. This was your back extensor stretch. Next will be your glute stretch. What do you have to do? Bring your hip to 90 degrees as well as your knee to 90 degrees. Then you rotate your leg with the same position inwards like this and then pull it in like this. And you will feel the stretch. You have to maintain the position, hold your feet, hold the knee and pull towards your body at the same position. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and release. It will be the same. Hip 90 degree, knee 90 degree. Bring it inwards. Hold your feet with the other hand like this. The other hand will be holding the knee. And then in the same position, pull it towards your body. You will get a stretch over here. Alright, so this will be your glute stretch. Now we'll be starting with the ham stretch. Just take a stable surface which should not move with your feet or it should not fall. Just place your feet over here, flex it a bit, reach downwards and then extend the knee. Okay? First you have to flex it, go a little down and then extend it. You should feel stretch over here. Just hold it and try to go down. Okay? And then release. These stretches you'll be doing for both the legs. It's not only with the affected leg because I've seen you have cyst in the other one also. So we'll be doing for both the legs simultaneously. Now for the calf stretch, what you have to do is hold any stable surface. Okay? Hold it. Take the affected leg at the back for the calf stretch and bend it down. This back knee will be straight. You should not flex it. Otherwise it will stretch the soleus. If you flex it, it will stretch the soleus. Right now we don't want to stretch the lower part. We just want to stretch the calf. So make sure when you are stretching it, the stretch should come over your calf, not at your Achilles. Right? So again I'll just show you. One leg forward with the knee bend, the other leg behind, foot facing forward, go down and the knee should be straight. Go down, wherever you feel stretch, just hold it for a while and go back. Alright, so these are the stretches we have to do. Now we have to take a hard ball. It should not be soft. Just take it and roll it under your feet with pressure. You have to put your pressure little harder and just roll it under your foot muscles. Maybe at places you will find it very tender that it is hurting, but that's okay. You just have to press it to release, all the foot muscle and relax them. Right? So you have to do it for like 1 to 2 minutes afterwards. First you have to take the strips. The strip length should be from your 1/3 of the foot and half of the calf because we have to stretch it little more. So ये आपका mid calf तक आने चाहिए. And there should be another strip which should reach just where the Achilles starts. Okay, so this will be the second strip, and there will be 3 almost same size strips to reinforce your Achilles. Alright, so there will be, every day you have to do it like one longer strip, the second one is the shorter, and 3 of the same size. Right, so first we'll start with the long strip. You have to cut 3/4 of the strip from the center, just make it half of it, and 1/3 portion will remain intact, just like this. So from the center you just have to pull it, it will get torn, this part. Just remove the first one, the first half, this thing, just like this. Okay, so place this part over your heel, okay, that center part, pull it apart. The lower portion not to be stretched, okay, you just stick it normally, you just stick it. The other one, first strip, okay, we'll be taking the first strip, that you have to, you know, so this you have to stretch. All right, just stretch it, and go around the calf, right, like this. Okay, and stick here. Got it? We took it till this length, but when you stretch it, it goes till the end of the calf. You got it? Now we take another strip, just pull it apart and slowly remove it. Just hold the tip and stick it. Take to the other corner of your calf like this. So it will go like this. All right. So it is going this way to intact your calf. Now the other strip which we have taken, this is to reinforce it. Again, just pull it like this, right? Don't peel off at a stretch, otherwise वो पूरी stick कर जाती है एक दूसरे के साथ. Make sure you just rip it apart this way and reinforce it, right? From that same place. This you have to stretch a little, all right? I'm stretching it, all right, this way, and it is going up there, and I stretched it and press it hard so that it should stick around. You got that? Now the other strip you have to take. Okay, the center part we will take, just like the bandage, you know. Just put it over your most tender part, okay, and you have to stretch it hard this way. Stretch it and lock it. We reinforce it with the other one. Same this way, just pair them and reinforce it the same ways we did the previous one, like this. Got that? And just stick them all nicely, check them that they are tight enough. And last strip will be locking your foot strip. Otherwise at times, you know, it get peeled off from here. So we'll just using the strip to lock it, but it should be stretched. Okay, we stretch it and stick it. So that is all. This is how you have to, lock it. You can see it very clearly how I did. First tape will be going on the sides. The second tape reinforcing the same from the center. The third tape is the smaller one, helping the Achilles. Again we are reinforcing it to help the Achilles. And the last one will be locking the strip down, and this should give traction. You got it? Any doubts you can ask me. Thank you.